Hello my dear students, welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in today's video I am going to explain the exercises of chapter number 6. We have already started chapter number 6, that is names of days and months, and we have learned about that there are 7 days in a week and 12 months in a year. So student, today's video I am going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So first of all, you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open chapter number 6, names of days and months. Okay. So student, there is an exercise A and B that we have already completed in our previous video. One more time I am going to repeat this exercise to you. So let's have a quick overview on this topic. So in this exercise, we have done that fill in the blanks with the correct letters to get the days of the week. So as we all know that it says day's name, so we have to fill the given letters. So there is a MONDAY, so it will be Monday. The next day is Tuesday, so TUESDAY, Tuesday. Wednesday, WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Fourth is Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Fifth is Friday, FRIDAY, Friday. Sixth is Saturday, SATURDAY, Saturday. Seventh is Sunday, SUNDAY, Sunday. Okay, so like this we have to complete the days of the week. Okay student, now the next stage, fill in the blanks with the correct letters to get the months of the year. So first month is January, and the spelling of January is JANUARY, January. Second month is February. What's the spelling of February? FEBRUARY, February. Third is March, MARCH, March. Fourth is April, APRIL, April. Fifth is May, MAY, May. Sixth is June, JUNE, June. Seventh is July, JULY, July. Eighth is August, AUGUST, August. Now the next month is, ninth month is September, SEPTEMBER, September. 10th is October, OCTOBER, October. 11th is November, NOVEMBER, November. 12th is December, DECEMBER, December. Okay student, so like this we have to complete this exercise. So now we are moving to the next exercise, that is exercise A. So what will we do in this given exercise A? So write the names of the month when these events or holidays occur. Okay, so student, first of all we have to write that month name, that when these events or holidays are celebrated. Okay, so first is New Year. So tell me when we celebrated New Year. So we all know that New Year celebrated on January. So we have to write here January. The month is January. What's the spelling of January? JANUARY, January. Now the second is Teachers' Day. So in which month we have to celebrate Teachers' Day? So we have celebrated Teachers' Day in a September. So we have to write here September. What's the spelling of September? SEPTEMBER, September. Now the third is my birthday. So dear student, you have to note down here your birthday month. Okay, my birthday falls on August, so I am right here August, AUGUST, August. You have to write down your birth month. Okay, now the next is Children's Day. So Children's Day, we celebrated Children's Day in November, so we have to write here November, NOVEMBER, November. Now the next is summer vacation, so it will be fall on June, so we have to write here June, JUNE, June. Now the sixth is Independence Day. So Independence Day falls in August, so we have to write here August, AUGUST, August. Now the seventh is Republic Day, so it will be celebrated in January, so JANUARY, January. 8 is Gandhi Jayanti, so we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in October, so we have to write here October, OCTOBER, October. And when is your friend's birthday? So my friend's birthday fall on March, so I am right here March. You have to note down your friend's birthday month here. Okay, now the last one is Christmas. So Christmas, we celebrated Christmas on 25 December, so we have to write here December, DECEMBER, December. So like this we have to complete this exercise that is given on page number 37 and 38. So now moving to the next, that is exercise B. So what will we do in this exercise B? So read this timetable for class first carefully, then answer the question. Student, as you can see the timetable that is given on your screen, it's a timetable for class first. So you have to read this timetable carefully and then answer the question. So you can see there is a days name: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and these are the subject, that is English, Math, EVS, language, storytelling, and EVS, art and craft. So these are the period. According to the period, which subject the student rate in their class. So student, let's have a look on the given timetable, and after that you have to write down the question answer that is given below in the timetable. Okay, so there is a first question: on which days do you study English in the first period? As you can see, there is a question: on which days do you study English in the first period? So we can see there is a first period on Monday and on Friday. So we study English in the first period on Monday and Friday. So the answer will be Monday and Friday. Okay student? Student, first of all you have to note down this exercise in a notebook. Okay, for that you all take out your notebook and mention date of today, and after that you have to write question number B, that is answer this question. Okay, so now one by one you have to note down question answer of this. So student, there is a first question is: on which days do you study English in the first period? So the answer will be according to the timetable on Monday and Friday. Okay student, now the next question is: on which days do you have holidays? So according to the timetable, the holidays on Saturday and Sunday. So we have to write answer, that is on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, now the next question is: on which day do you have art and craft? So art and craft period on Tuesday. So we have to write here Tuesday. What is spelling of Tuesday? Tuesday, by Tuesday, on Tuesday. Okay, fourth question is: on which day do you have music? So on Thursday we have music. Okay, now the next is question number 5: on which day do you study EVS in the first period? Student, the question is: on which day do you study EVS in the first period? So the answer will be on Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday. Now the next question, question number 6. In question number 6, the question is: on which days do you study math in the first period? On which days do you study math in the first period? So the answer will be on Tuesday and Thursday we study math in the first period. Okay, now the next question is question number 7. On which day do you play games in school? On which day do you play games in school? So student, the answer will be on Wednesday. On Wednesday. Now the next question is question number 8. In question number 8, on which day do you study math in the second period? The question is: on which day do you study maths in the second period? So the answer will be on Monday. Okay, on Monday. Now the next is question number 9. Question number 9 is: on which day do you have an English class in the second period? On which day do you have an English class in the second period? So the answer will be on Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday we have an English class in the second period. Now the last question is: on which day do you learn drawing and painting? Student, the question is: on which day do you learn drawing and painting? So the answer will be on Friday. So like this we have to complete this question answer according to the timetable that is given in grammar book. So student, one more time we are going to recheck. So the question number first is: on which days do you study English in the first period? So the answer will be on Monday and Friday. Second question is: on which days do you have holidays? So the answer will be on Saturday and Sunday. Now third is: on which day do you have art and craft? So the answer will be on Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday. Now the fourth is: on which day do you have music? So answer will be on Thursday. Now the next is question number 5. On which day do you study EVS in the first period? So the answer will be on Wednesday. Sixth is: on which day On which days do you study math in the first period? So the answer will be on Tuesday and Thursday. Now the next question number 7 is, on which day do you play games in school? So the answer will be on Wednesday. Now the next question is question number 8, on which day do you study math in the second period? So the answer will be on Monday. Now the next stage, on which day do you have an English class in the second period? So the answer will be on Tuesday. Okay. Now the last question is, on which day do you learn drawing and painting? So the answer will be on Friday. So dear student, like this you have to note down this question answer in your notebook, and your homework is you have to do exercise A and B in SW copy. What's your homework of today? Your homework is do exercise A and B in SW copy, and you have also learned write days and months name in your SW copy. Okay student, so that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete the exercises in your book, and after that you have to note down this given exercise A and B in a notebook. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.